going on the Murano and Burano boat tour today, so we're heading to Murano first and we'll watch a little live glass blowing demonstration, and then we'll get another little boat over to Burano. It's meant to be lots of little colourful houses, very scenic, very beautiful. Nina's been before, so it'll be nice to take Miliana today and see what's going on.
How are you feeling?
About what?
Just about life. Are you happy? Are you happy to be in Paris?
No, I'm happy to be in Venice. It's really beautiful. I actually think I would like to come back.
Yeah, with lots of money.
With lots of money, but also I could come back like on a low budget and just sit and people watch all day.
I think Venice is a tourist trap. That's all I have to say on the matter. It does. It feels like a big, massive theme park, and I think they should start charging people to come in here because there's too many people in it, and everything's really pricey. I understand why it's pricey, so that's okay. I will pay the prices, but I think they should charge people entry, just like they do on the islands in Thailand. Do you not think so?
Yeah, like national park fees.
Like the national park fees, yeah, I think they should do the same. I think because it will limit the amount of foot traffic, but two, they can also use that money towards maintaining it and whatever else.
Yeah.
And that will bring the cost of everything else down if they're then using that as like a tax.
There's obviously a reason why they've not.
Yeah, I think it should just be locals, people who live here and stuff. Obviously, they live here in it. They just come in and out. But any tourists, there should be a tourist. To be fair, we do pay a tourist tax.
Did we not have to?
Yeah, we had to pay. It was €24, was it not? So we do pay a tourist tax to be here.
Yeah.
So I'd take everything back because they'd already do that. Never mind. See, look at me with my smart ideas. They're already doing it. This is why I don't run a city.
Bonjour, bienvenue à bord. Je suis André, le guide aujourd'hui des îles. Nous avons 30 minutes pour rejoindre l'île de Murano. Merci et bon voyage. Damas, caballeros, buenos días y bienvenidos.
Now in Murano, we've just been watching the Murano glass being made, and then we bought two really fancy wine glasses because they were beautiful, and now we're just going to explore a bit before we have to go back on the boat. We've only got 30 minutes.
Oh, imagine living here and waking up in the morning and this being your view.
You are my view every day.
So lovely here. I wish I had. How long do we have?
An hour.
An hour here. I wish I had 5 hours here.
It's
colour. I think it would just make anyone happy, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Is it yummy? The ice cream. I've also got an Aperol Spritz and I'm absolutely freezing. It is Baltic. I'm freezing. I'm fighting for my life here. I'm so cold, and also we're gonna end up missing our boat because our boat leaves in 10 minutes and we're actually not where our boat leaves from. And Sarah's just like, I don't care, I'll stay. And I'm just like, I'm actually gonna die of frostbite. Like, I cannot stay here because I'm freezing my bum off.
Hello. We are walking down to our boat now. Our boat leaves in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And we're walking down and we're turning left and then we'll be there. And it is freezing and my hands are so cold, but it's beautiful. This is the kind of stuff I appreciate in life.
It is nice. She doesn't appreciate me, obviously, but she does appreciate a nice colourful house.
Massively, Nina, but I also love colourful houses and I don't want to use
She's
colourful
literally,
houses.
look at her, she's raging at me now. We are going to miss the boat.
So we're walking past.
We're not walking towards our house.
Walking down and turning left.
We're going to miss our boat. She's going to make us miss our boat because she wanted to see a pink house. Sarah, it looks like, yeah, let's go this way. It looks like Tobermory. She said, no, it doesn't. It doesn't look like Tobermory. It's actually Burano.
My big fluffy hat. Why am I not wearing my big fluffy hat? So we bought this last night. You know, that way I thought it would have looked a bit better than what it does. Nina says obviously that I look fantastic in it.
She's fantastic
But
in
she's,
anything. She could have been big, she will
really
be fantastic.
kind. It's not really what I thought it was going to be, but it's fine.
See? Fantastic, fandabidozy. Okay.
How do I look?
Fantastic. Oh, look at her running off all that gelato.
Playa, arena, sol, calor, sentí tu sudor. Yo lo que quiero, playa, arena, sol, alcohol, contigo mejor.
Everybody an update. We made it to our pier on time. The boat's not here yet. We're getting in a different boat again. It's not here yet, so we have lots of time. So what have you got to say?
We've only got 10 minutes left and the boat's not here yet, which means the boat's not going to board all these people
So
on
actually
time.
we're early.
Yeah,
We're
but
here 10 minutes
the boat
early.
itself,
and the
there's
boat
no
is not.
chance it's leaving in 10 minutes because it's not actually here yet.
That's what I do, is
And
suit
it
this
still
hat.
needs to. I told you suited that hat. I said to you,
Maybe it's good lighting, but I'm like,
fandabidozy.
it do look nice in this.
Boat is here. Our boat's here. I'm so cold. I'm just not wearing enough layers, I think. And we just had a gelato and a spritz. So yeah, I'm just
Tú me
freezing.
tienes loco.